The best way to exclude a specific term or multiple terms from appearing in a VOSViewer visualization map is by creating a thesaurus file of the terms. In this video, we want to exclude the terms solid oxide fuel cell, SOFC, solid oxide fuel cells, oxide fuel cells. To create the thesaurus file, usually with 2 columns, open a notepad. The first column should start with label and the second should start with replace by, while using a comma to separate both columns. Under the label cells, enter the unwanted terms. Leave the replace by cells empty to completely exclude a term. Save your thesaurus file. Go back to VOSViewer to create the visualization map, but in this case, upload the thesaurus file. You can see that those unwanted terms have disappeared. If you enjoyed this video, hit the like and the subscribe buttons to see more.